This is how you can change the color of your clothes from this to this using Nano Banana in 2 minutes. As a matter of fact, it will not even be up to 2 minutes. Without wasting your time, let's dive in straight. This is the home page of my Chrome, right? You go to your browser and type in this URL, gemini.google.com. You hit enter. Okay, now it brings out a place where you can add your prompt and also your picture. Okay, you can see welcome to Gemini, your personal AI assistant. You can close this. On this plus sign here, click on it. You will see upload file. You will see add from drive. If you are adding the picture from your Google Drive, you consider choosing this. But if you are uploading it maybe from a file on your system already, you click on upload file. So in this case, I'm uploading from a folder in my system already. I'll click on upload files. Then I'll go to select. Because I'll go to select. I'll look for the folder. This is it. Okay. So I will click on it, open. Now I have uploaded the image. You can see the image here. Now let me give it the prompt so it can change the color of the polo this boy is wearing. Okay, let's give it this prompt: keeping the facial features and every other thing intact, change the color of the polo to white. So this is the prompt. Very simple, very straightforward. Keeping the facial features and every other thing intact, change the color of the polo. Now you hit submit and wait for it. You can see it's just saying you should give it a sec. Okay, with this you will change you can change anything. You can make the boys to stop smiling, but for the purpose of this video, we just want to change the color of the polo. Now this is it. Can you see? Is it even up to two minutes? Can you see? This is what we sent and this is what we are receiving. Can you see? Just if you toggle here, you go here, you click on download, and that's all. And that is all. And that is all. I'm very sure you got value. Please like, comment, subscribe, and send this link to everyone who you know needs something like this. See you on the next video.